Kathy Wallite, and I came to Costa Rica for three things actually. One, to connect with this beautiful nature, connect with amazing women, and to connect with myself. And I am walking away with well beyond the expectations of the three things that I came with. I'm walking away with new soul sisters, an unbelievable connection to myself, an unbelievable connection to this Mother Earth.
Wait, you can keep rolling. Should I start over? Because you can edit this.
Yeah, just go from the top.
My name is Amber Nielsen. I came to this retreat to really be able to, I want to say recenter, but like pull my energy back and really become one again with myself. Not that I lost myself, but I wanted to just, maybe find myself again and really connect with Earth and be around like-minded, beautiful, spiritual women. And I am leaving here feeling lighter, more connected, and re-energized than I've felt in a long time.
My name is Jordan, and I came to this beautiful place to get alignment and some self-centering and self-love finding. And I am leaving with just that and so much more.
My name is Mara. I came here because I'm looking for more inner peace within myself and to find my sunlight again. And I am leaving with unbelievable emotions, gratitude, and with a lot more tools and friends to carry me forward into the emotion that just keeps moving forward.
My name is Victoria Tab, and I came here because I needed a real break and a chance to reconnect with myself. And I am leaving here with great clarity and a great empowerment to create my future.
I'm Colleen, and I came on the retreat to connect with a group of amazing, beautiful women who also wished, like I did, to connect with ourselves and connect more deeply with ourselves. And I am leaving with a sense of gratitude and a sense of being more grounded and a sense of being more centered in myself.